top stories. Minister Karam Syam opens women's polo tournament in connection with 4th Statehood Day. Protest against CAP continues. Students to boycott Republic Day celebrations. And Minister L. Jayantakumar accuses previous government of using funds excessively. Hello, good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj Khongban Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. CAF and PD Minister Karam Syam opened the women's polo tournament in connection to 4th Statehood Day today. The tournament was jointly organized by Department of Tourism, Government of India, All Manipur Polo Association and Hunter Equine at Mapal Kangzebong. Polo teams from Kenya, Australia, Canada, Argentina, India and Manipur are taking part in the tournament. The opening match of the tournament was played between Indian Polo Association, IPA and Team Canada. Saying that the courage of Manipuri women is well known, he expressed his faith in the players of Manipur.
aduge hena sanoroising putuaga betribi da pologi horok pamne haibadu utna nabagi tanja du lomi nabagi tangai phadaba leire aduna matam amadadi polo sinupa khangna sanaraga ayamba koi leiriba sei chau singsi kaya yengba lamde adubu hojikti nupi player kaya thularnina nasigi audience ta pamiriba mayam sisu koi nupi adi koi mai cha mayam ama the Sana Bachipung Howard Boyna Lapi Basi, Away Madugina Muta, Manipur Sarkar, Tari Kaunal Kambu Cherry.
Team Canada is very happy to be here. We're very excited to visit the grounds, the oldest polo grounds in the world. We're happy to support women's polo and polo in Manipur. And we're just really excited to be here and experience this.
I'm very proud and happy to be in my own country where the polo began. And this is our second visit, and I am very impressed by the Manipuri polo players, and even in the whole India, I don't think we have so many women player, girls player as much as Manipur has, and I would be glad to see that it just progresses and improves and becomes better and better every year. It's basically we want to bring up the Manipuri polo players, and it's going to be the tournament is going to be of course competitive. I mean everybody would like to win, but of course in the end we just party together and have fun and make sure that everybody is happy.
Alright, the ball's rolled in. First one to come, Canada. Back out of there. Again. Picked up and turned around by Slovenia.
General Secretary of Johnson High Secondary School Students Union Ningthau Khongzam Nobin Chandra has said that they will boycott the upcoming Republic Day and won't participate in any event of mainland India if the Citizenship Amendment Bill is not revoked. Addressing a press conference held at the office of Students Union, he said the political parties should keep their differences aside and work according to public interest.
India lengaka akoiga akoida yengbiba mi yengasi akoida yamna thamoi sokna nungaijataba ngasi Johnson School gi oina akoi lakliba 26 January amdi 15 August akoigi bill asi without taudibo akoi Singum Kongjang Cam, Sakani, they can look at Sangalapay, Akoi Madu, Dr. Shem Sadun lady. Rasnti Duan Mams, Nakasleta, BJP Congress and the Kaidong Naga, Sidajida Moy Machine Pujana Babongamdri. Aduga Asiumba, Tangnaba State Gada, Akogi Sidun Tribe Kick, Sanari Badumba, I'll be Sanari Baleva, Tangnaba State Gada, Akoi Citizen Amendment been listening to she don't tell me how shall me. How about I'll be Sana मोइजु मसाना मसाबु ngakthokchaba ngamoi haibase mukhoi khangi aduga akhoi sidana akhoi lengakna akhoi alpi chanani auna akhoi kaim tawba ngamoi haibagi sigumba pajamyam da ulibasi masi oiba yaba thabang nati.
Protest against Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016 continues at every corner of the state. Apunba Khuman Lampak street vendors, auto, van owners and shopkeepers sit in protest at ISBT demanding withdrawal of the bill. President of Apunba Khuman Lampak street vendors, Y. Indira said the bill is a step to eradicate indigenous people of Northeast in order to build a nation only of Hindus. She wanted that the consequences will be more severe than June 18 incident if the bill is not withdrawn.
Without territorial limit and Akwagi, she's very matangda, Handoki, Handuku, and June Tripan of the Mita Bansiga Matunda, Bindo Handokan, Tukibini, Aduna, Nasi, Garigumba, Loinus Hoitawasu, Prazamianda, MP Sinti, Prazak Musicina, which we did a Tore, Lale Hajo, Loinana, hide by X heck and Tokipo, a koi, Halloi, Kongan, something, Atu Matamda. Bilje hantok ta bataragadi tasina koi jun time banda ki henba khudong thibama thorok matam da koi na mang thagni hai wa pham je nasigi mass media ro pham da thamje.
Meanwhile, Khwai Lamphel Women United Development Organization, in collaboration with 6 student organizations, staged sit-in protest against Citizenship Amendment Bill. Secretary of the organization, R.K. Tharaksana, said the bill will be a huge challenge to the people of Northeast. The bill will be one of the main reasons for the elimination of small communities of the region.
Manipur, so Manipur, the indigenous people in the Mutkisano Habagi, Mutkibayabagi, Akibatu Labaduna, are going to see then protest from the Ribasi, Northeast students in Neso Madi, Manipur, Haiba, some Saturday Sankantaruxina, civil society Simsina, Santalapa, putting Matasu, File Men United Development Organization, so Saruya Zagani and to go conjunction that Koitawaya Tang Yana.
Various civil bodies, including student organizations, staged sit-in protest at Sagolban Moirang Hanuba Kaithel Sang against the bill. Members of MYDC, Moirang Hanuba Nupil Chakhot Khongthang Marup, Moirang Hanuba Sengbat Sagatpa Committee, MSU, Desam, MSF, KSA, SUK, EMS and NIP took part in the protest. Coordinator of Northeast Indigenous People's Party, Ningthauza Lancha, said the bill is a clear indication that the Indian government looks down on the people of Northeast and it will have negative impact on the indigenous people of the region.
Manipur People Bill chalai rakanda akoi amuhan na mitop singi changan gumse khonari ngaida ingak ngakpa 2014 da BJP ki manifesto da yawgiba yellow mi singa sibu kanbagi mahutta yellow mi singa se mutlagani maramdi mirebang macha mayam thomat khragani na khallinga da mirebang macha mayam sibu Bangladesh ki changakpa Pakistan ki changakpa mayam sibu support tawba moi se Bharat macha ohen ba yarni haiba Citizenship Amendment Bill yamna venomous oiba sumba bill ama ek on thok tana Moibu Sakangdana Awang Poki Ladyba demographic landscape Sida Achobo Hong Produktana Yellow Missing Mutana Honarakiba Indian ki racist policy as a Masubu challenge Taudana Imai Ben Sing Ichaliche Singda Haiba Exi Karino Haibadu Icona Kanganaba Hona Javani.
Meanwhile, residents of Thobal also staged sit-in demonstration in protest against the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. MPCC convened a party meeting to discuss the situation arising out after passage of CA Bill. General Secretary of All India Congress Committee, Manipur in charge, Luisinho Falero and Secretary Charles Fingropu, along with members of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, including CLP leader O. Ibobi, member of CWC Gai Khangam and President of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, T.N. Hawkep, attended the meeting. The party condemned the BJP for passing the Citizenship Amendment Bill in the Lok Sabha. The Congress accused the BJP government of trying to diminish the indigenous population in the state. The party members also opined that victory of Congress in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh in the recent assembly elections clearly shows that People respect Congress leader Rahul Gandhi for his contributions in nation building. Accusing the previous government of wasting all the funds, Health and Family Welfare Minister L. Jayantakumar has said that the present government is unable to take up development works on time due to non-availability of funds. The minister was attending the inaugural function of 2 PHSCS at Mayang Langzing and Awang Kuno and foundation stone laying ceremony for CHC at Salam in Lamsang Assembly constituency today. The function was jointly organized by State Health Society and Directorate of Health Services. Minister L. Jayantakumar was accompanied by MLA S. Rajan and Director of Health Services K. Razo at the ceremony. Minister L. Jayantakumar further said, despite shortage of fund, efforts are being made to improve health sector.
Budget totally nil. Masih sarkar lagi sarkar gak sob nata ba. Mamang da palam sarkar singna lagi mi pun tinggi sih naram na. Kau yum mama pan bukan da lagi bam tokam bakli kuya sen lukum sih nata na. Agi mindol sing thambi di yum mama pan na bagi. Takut mama aku main mutu na lebih thamami pun sih. Si bau yang mana lucil lah. Mana maram muat na hujik development tu hai bukan aku bisa lagi tre.
On the other hand, MLA S. Rajan said that Lamsang Assembly constituency was far behind other constituency in the health sector in the last 15 years. There were no doctors at the PHSCS. Besides, there were no proper buildings and infrastructures. However, the Minister of Health and Family Welfare has inaugurated 2 PHSCS and laid foundation for 1 CHC in a single day.
Matam changna dagi iduna leramba aikoi mayam singadu sigumba anoba building asina semgat pibasina henna pcm singda nungaiba amsung staff singda aikoi mayam gi service tawda nungaiba henna pohallagani haidana yam haijaningi.
Well, it's time now for a short break.
Private Sports Academy Guwahati gi I-League selection da mai paklaba sanarosingna admission tawbiba yaragani. Admission tawbagi aroiba matam Lakliba January ki tangkun. Managing Director da contact you. Contact number 8787-842-589. Private Sports Academy, Guwahati.
Hello Kids Clubhouse Play School. Play smart, grow smart. Admissions open for 2019 sessions for playgroup, nursery, LKG, UKG at affordable fee structure. It follows playway and Montessori teaching by well-trained teachers with the help of audio-visual medium and regular activities to enhance creativity. It provides midday meal and transportation facilities. For more detail, please contact Hello Kids Clubhouse 700-5172-365 or 9612-719050.
Mahindra Tractor Showroom na monsoon season lakpada monsoon offer pijiri. India da Saba Annapurna domestic mini rice mill amadi grinder. Akaknaba matam kharagi oina company na offer price ta yamda phanganjari. Ho sangbay matakpada electric prepaid ta supnataki lupa ni makhai maijai besan morok yangang marumara hawai makhal sul takpa yaraba grinder su phangbiragani. Rice mill da phau pudra seng takpagi awab leitraba yumgi sangoi kasin amada hillaga isana adum phau takchaba yaraba cheng wai manghandraba cheng khainadraba Annapurna domestic rice mill ni akupa marol gidamak link sinbirau Mahindra Tractor Showroom Malom Bazaar pijariba offer price ki khudong saba simyamna lawi ho akaknaba matam khara khaktan.
Welcome to Aryan Furniture House. Manipur da sajaba quality maintain tauraba makhal kayagi furniture items sing suna fanghanjari. Adongi apamba makhal gi furniture items sing khanbiyu lengsin birau Aryan Furniture House Hata Minuthong.
Welcome back after the break. Chief Minister N. Biren extended greetings to the people of Manipur on the auspicious occasion of Ima Imoinu Iratpa. He said Ima Imoinu is worshipped to seek wealth and prosperity. May the festival bring prosperity, happiness, love and peace in the state, wished the Chief Minister. Security force continue search operations ahead of the Republic Day celebration. Combing operation was conducted at Masjid Road, Pratap Gali, Kakhulong, Nambul Mapal area under the supervision of Additional SP Operation of Imphal West District Police T.H. Krishna Tombe this morning. In all, 236 people were verified, where 12 persons were picked up for further verification. Meanwhile, 250 people were verified around Kongpal Hazorlekai under the supervision of Imphal East District Additional SP Law and Order A.G. Sharma. No reports of arrests so far. Salai flour mill, which has the capacity to produce 2,000 tons of gram flour in a day, has started operational from today. Under the management of Salai Agro Products Private Limited, the flour mill company started working to revive the mill at its premises at Mantripukri. Addressing the occasion, Board of Directors of Salai, Koizam Roshan, has said that Salai Group has taken up this step with a vision to bring about a big change in the state, and around 300 indigenous people have been employed from the state to operate the flour mill.
Vision sing manungda mo riba main oina khoina yang khogi leiriba irisasing asigi maximum job opportunity piba amadi product sing ji akhoi gi iramdam digi puthoksa ba habigi pandam sida besan ji ngasi akhoi salaiba hojabani loina na tungda lakada ba mafam asigi local employees sing jokhoi jena tungna ba kanu honajari.
City police have again arrested Mohammad Mufizuddin, 53, who was on bail by the Chief Judicial Magistrate of Imphal East yesterday. Mohammad Mufizuddin was linked in connection with the raging Buffalo incident, where 8 persons were injured and 1 person was seriously hurt on 13th of this month. The untamed buffalo was offloaded from Dimapur in a truck, whereas city police had registered a case in connection to the incident happened in Hapta, Minutong. Porompat police has registered a case against Mohammad Mufizuddin and remanded him for 3 days in police custody. Different organizations and sections of the society are all set and have prepared to celebrate the auspicious occasion of Imoinu Irat Thoni Tharam widely in the state. Ahead of the auspicious day, Salai Holding Private Limited has organized a musical program glorifying Imoinu Ima at its office in Teralokrak Pamlikai today. Speaking to media persons, Chairman of Salai Holding Private Limited, Narengbam Samarjit, has said that the present generation must follow the culture and traditions of our ancestors. He also sends his greetings and wishes to different sections of the society living in the state on such auspicious day of Imoinu Iratpa for prosperity and unity.
My whole dagi hauna, my whole haibasini, ahan bada, akoi maisi, aduna, mi akoi na holuk pagi, magi mawong, akoi na hana leramba, family wina leramba dagi, akoi na madudagi amuk clan lakiba, clan dagi tribe lakiba, tribe dagi amuk kingdom lakiba, kingdom dagi empire lakiba, sigi journey asida. I could think Kiba, Port Kudimaxing as a Masi Putaraga, Masi Adum Loinana, Tunalak, Port Amok Wivanina, Nasidi, I could Masa Manao, Masusing, Amok Oina, Nasi Pai Pusing Aduna, Tangat Lamaba, Portsing as a Masi Amok, I could Puna, Kangin Navagi, Matamadu Yore.
Non-Teaching Employees Welfare Association of RIMS has continued to protest, demanding their Charter of Demands to turn into action. The leader of the association, along with its members, staged a sit-in protest in front of RIMS A block today. Secretary of the association, T.H. Babu, said that they have requested the RIMS authority to fulfill their Charter of Demands. However, the director of RIMS has not given any concrete solution with regard to their demands. He further said a general body meeting will be held soon to decide for further agitations.
Union Health Minister, Prime Minister, adagi chief minister board aduga akoigi governor da akoina sarsi matik chadre lakthoani hana haibadagi ngasi mi humni subasida magi chakui noma matungda ngasai ngasi ko unaba tholei aduna maramu erga akoina tan khib demand sing se authority ga akoigi non teaching employee welfare association ga yanaji lawnraga akoi hiziki makhata instruction chathasagi.
All Manipur DPC completed candidates of Manipur Rifle Male 2016 batch staged a sit-in protest in the community hall of Kaisampat Lemazamlekai today. The agitators demanded to declare the result of DPC at the earliest. President of the JAC, Saddam Hussein, has said that the present government has not declared the result even though the DPC was held 2 years back, and for this reason the candidates are facing many hardships. He also appealed the state government to declare the result at the earliest.
Lagliba Republic Day Hogi Mamangda Kaigumba Lengang Asina Ikogi Tabu Asibu Haidok Pidragadi Matangi Nonganba Tarikuntret Tegi Tarikunipan Hingai Pova Akona Ban Munifunipan General Staiko of Susiam Hazare.
Let's now have the sports news. In the ongoing 8th state-level village-wise Harauro Trophy held in YMC ground of Harauro from 13th of this month, in a morning match, YSA Chinku beat MZSU Mapau by 3-0, and in another match played between Lamlai FC and YDO Kundrakpum, it ended in a draw with 3 goals each from both sides. Two matches were played in the first round of the third Pupu Cup as state level under 17 9-men aside football tournament today. SBR FC Nongdam beat Pungdongbom FC by 3-0 in the first round of the day. In the second round, YDCL Pungdongbom defeated Lamnganba FC by 2-1. Let's take a short break once again.
Yapote lobu zakharba natro
zakhrima
aduidi cha injang du loisanaba tawrodana
bishon du tot polorabadi injang iti thawraga lorabane adu ima dukan dagi bishon du goma chanduga leibirogera
hoi hoi ima lobirurake bungo besholamaga masalamaga dapi
ne Kanglipagi spices industry gi production lobiron iramdong gi posuire pojan ju yautre chang soktre aduine KSI na hogi ba sei try panji da puthoi ba production ginger powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, cinnamon powder, mithi jira powder, amadi hairi bo. Loinana sa masal amadi machalla powwa. Mayang manadaba packaging system so orba. Manipur da yanan boina spices industry da ISO 9001 2008 amadi ISO 9001 2015 phangmada natana trademark su registration toraba KSI gi product tam season abiu.
Sina kwai dagi hena pharena bonina pire inni
ima KSI gi product sidi yam phabane.
Loomlang started with the idea of creating a one-stop destination for all the fashion-forward and stylish shabby people and to pique the curiosity of the rest. With the customer at heart, we deals with shoes, bags and all types of cut and show products for women. We allow and provide customized products, especially wedding and evening gowns. Email loomlang@gmail.com, mobile 9958149894, 7085205085, 7085270490.
Manipur Ihan Hanba Oina Healthcare Products Singi Fangfom Diagnomet Instruments Healthcare System. Registered Office Koyathong Nagamapal Road Imphal 795001. Branch Office Lalambung Makong Rims Road near Syndicate Bank Imphal 795001. Complete Rainstar Surgical Instruments, Hospital Equipments, OT Lights and Tables, Auto Claps, Rehabilitation Ads, Hospital Consumables, Healthcare Products, diagnostic reagents, hearing aids, blood glucometer, digital BP monitor, air mattress, amadi nebulizer na chingba singi oina New Year gi 20 to 25% discount pizari with terms and conditions apply. Hena kupamarol gidama contact tobirau 038520569092 amadi 917085776993. Ekoi gi email diagnoinst@gmail.com. Ngasimak lengsen birau Diagnomet Instruments Healthcare System.
Matalgi sasenaba products singdagi cheksinbiyu. Kanglaipak Spices Industry na puthokpa Majalgi atopa manaba manufacturing unit amata leizade. KSI na puthokpa Majalgi asengba products sing asibu khangnabagidama packaging da KSI logo Kanglaipak Spices Industry yaubara haina check tobiyu. Amasung packaging da ISO 9001-2008 or ISO 9001 or 2015 asi yaubara haina check tobiyu. Lalamung Makong Takela Mamlekai Rims Road Factory Thangweban Sinam Lekai haina thari basin Taba atopa amata Majalgi asengba product nate sasinaba amasung malhan basingdagi cheksinbiyu hena kupamarol khangnaba lengsinbirau Majal Kanglaipak Spices Industry Lalamung Makong Takhelamam Lekai Rims Road Factory Thangmiban Sinam Lekai near Lamphel Lampak natraga logon tobiyu www.majalspices.com or Facebook/majalspices natraga email tobirau info@majalspices.com.
Arun Enterprises presents the 5th Amphimpa Cup 2019 9A-side football tournament only for film fraternity. Manipuri film da changes chongjariba singtagi oiba football tournament. Lakliba January gi tang kun dagi hauraga January gi tang kun ga tare thawba Korompat near TV Tower manakta leiba Nesu ground da pangthok jaragani.
Yes to life, no to drugs. Fattaba chinjak singdagi lapthok lasi haina paujel puriba football tournament amani. Ireibak iramdam sida lebiribak faipur mangna tournament asibu miyeng taba soidena lengbiro.
Welcome back. Unidentified assailants looted passengers of the Jammu-Delhi Duronto Express at knife point near Badli in Delhi early this morning. The robbers targeted the passengers of B3 and B7 coaches and decamped with their money, jewellery and ATM cards. The incident came to light after a passenger complained on the railway's portal. As train number 12266, which stops only at its source and destination stations, was approaching the Delhi station, stopped at around 3:30 am awaiting signal. 7 to 10 miscreants entered coaches B3 and B7 of the train. The robbers, who were carrying sharp-edged knives, threatened the passengers to hand over their expensive items. Despite a Supreme Court ban on animal fights and race across the country, people of Morigaon district organized the traditional buffalo fight at Bidyabori and Ahadguri area of the district yesterday. The Supreme Court had in 2014 banned organizing any kind of animal fight or races and instructed the Animal Welfare Board of India, AWBI, and state governments to stop inflicting pain and suffering on animals. Thousands of people have, however, organized the buffalo fights at Ahadguri and Bidyabori area of Morigaon district as part of Mag Bihu or Boghali Bihu celebrations. While the Bihu celebrations committees refrained from organizing the fights due to the court ban. Some of the buffalo owners or keepers organized the fights unofficially and informally. A few months ahead of Lok Sabha elections, BJP National Chief Amit Shah is down with swine flu and is getting treated at AIIMS in the national capital. Home Minister Rajnath Singh was among the first one to react and tweeted Amit Shah that he will pray for his speedy recovery. Police have today imposed Section 144 across the city in view of the pronouncement of quantum of punishment to Dera Sacha Saudi Chief Gurmeet Ram Rahim by the CBI Special Court of Jagdeep Singh, which has convicted him in the case pertaining to the murder of journalist Ramchandar Chhatrapati. Section 144 of Criminal Procedure Code CRPC prohibits assembly of 5 or more persons, holding of public meetings and carrying weapons. Sirsa-based Dera Sacha Saudi Chief Gurmeet Ram Rahim will be produced in the court through video conference from Sunaria Jail in Rohtak, where he is currently serving 20-year prison term since 2017 for raping 2 of his women followers. 3 other accused who were also convicted in the journalist's murder case will be produced in the court from Ambala Jail through video conference. The Dera chief has been found guilty of orchestrating the killing of Chhatrapati, a Sirsa-based journalist, after the scribe wrote against Ram Rahim in his newspaper titled Pura Sach. The scribe was shot in 2002 and the case was registered in 2003. US President Donald Trump has nominated 3 Indian Americans to key administration positions. As per the latest list of senior nominations sent by the White House to the Senate, Rita Baranwal has been nominated for the post of Assistant Secretary of Energy, Nuclear Energy, Aditya Bamjai for Member of Privacy and Civil Liberties Oversight Board, and Bimal Patel as the Assistant Secretary of Treasury. Now let's have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express say to oppose CAB until an exemption clause is inserted, says Chief Minister. Genesis of National Sports University traced on first foundation day. RIMS non-teaching staff on Shemod. Joram Thanga meets Modi on CAB. Chief Electoral Officer apprises political party of steps taken up. Segmai Community Health Center inaugurated. The People's Chronicle. Police use smoke bombs to foil CAB protest. Go to school to begin this month, says Chief Minister. Imphal Free Press. State government will not support Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016, says Ann Biren. Demand of independent territory for Northeast region might come if CAB passes in Rajya Sabha, says Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization. Manipur Mail. Go to school to be launched soon, says Chief Minister Biren. Chakan Gang Ngai held at Raj Bhavan. Governor inaugurates Festival of Dance Drama.
Before we close, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Minister Karam Syam opens Women's Polo Tournament in connection with 4th Statehood Day. Protest against CAP continues. Students to boycott Republic Day celebrations. And Minister L. Jayantakumar accuses previous government of using funds excessively. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.